Hello everyone, I am Rashekar Karpuram. Given a chance, how would you like to end this year? With a heavy heart thinking about the things that you couldn't achieve, or with a light heart thinking about how positively you can start the next year? I prefer the second. Hence, I have conceptualized a video with the help of other agilists in our community to make you laugh. I want to add a disclaimer here. This is a work of a fiction. Any similarities to the actual events or opinions are purely coincidental. Sounds familiar, right? I have copied, inspired from the movies. Please don't take this video seriously. Just have a fun and enjoy. Let's get into video, guys. Thank you. Bye.
இந்திய தொலைக்காட்சிகளில் முதன் முறையாக
For the first time in the history of Agile community, we have a retrospective at the community level for the year 2021. I'm Suguntan. Welcome everyone. Let's start with the WWW. Can you guys guess it? What does it mean? It's simple. Worked well, did not work, kind of worked. We'll pick the topics from the sticky notes.
Hello Sugundan, glad that I have learned a lot of engineering practices through SIG. I have recommended few to the clients like TDD, BDD that got approved and implemented in this quarter. Oh, it's a hectic quarter. The entire team has worked for many hours with lot of meetings. Finally, it's time to breathe some fresh air.
Great, nice to hear that. You are the true inspiration for our community. Why can't we plan a session to share your transformation journey?
Why not?
Hello, Sugantan. As an Agilist, I have trained my PO to an extent where the PO understands the Agile way of working. However, product area lead influences PO more than me in the opposite way. Any suggestions would be welcome to deal with it.
This issue needs a 360-degree analysis. Before arriving at the solution path, let me schedule a coaching conversation to understand the root cause and the possible way to handle this.
Okay.
Hello, Sugandhan. Whenever we identify gaps in technical or process-related aspects through sprint retros, we apply to inspect and adapt approaches at the team level to improve. But the issues at org level need more attention from business stakeholders. We may need to streamline escalation hierarchy.
That's a brilliant idea. I will have the follow-up session, connect with you to brainstorm and take it forward.
Okay, yeah.
I'm fine.
Karma is boomerang. You might have heard this response from your team members in the events you facilitated. Being a change agent, you should be transparent enough to express your opinions.
Hey, I don't have any comments.
Hey, come on, Adi.
May it be what went well, or it didn't go well, or something may be improved. If I express, it might lead to another meeting. That's why I prefer to remain an active listener.
I sense that you are jam-packed with many meetings. Let's connect in the different calls to nail down the reasons behind this meeting. Yes, the most effective way of communication is face-to-face. In fact, one of the principles.
We started work from home when the COVID alpha variant arrived in the world. The current COVID variant is Omicron. Before it reaches the Greek alphabet Omega, let's plan some physical meetup.
We must adhere to the ethics and the complaints policy of the organization. Hence, physical meetup might take time. Having a lunch or a dinner in restaurant can be discussed later.
As an Agilist, we accept only outcome-based meetings, right? Let's decide here and now.
Why can't we have a potluck, maybe in office common area?
Potluck needs a lot of planning, executing it. It is a challenge.
When we have a challenge, why can't we experiment and fail fast, just like in Agile?
Can't we have a virtual lunch or dinner?
What does that mean?
You can either cook or order your favorite food. Try to connect with other Agilists through a video call and have your lunch or dinner.
Where is sharing and caring for one another?
Being an Agilist, adapt for virtual sharing and caring.
Okay.
Yes, I accept we have multiple events on the same day. How do you guys handle this?
We usually facilitate multiple Scrum events on the same day, right? For example, sprint planning after a retro.
However, it occupies our mind space. it is hard to concentrate on our full potential.
When we ask our team members to be cross-functional and flexible, why can't we be?
I think that is more of a one person working in different areas called multitasking. But this is leading us towards parallel processing. Come on, man, we just got one brain.
Even we tend to have the multiple events at the same time.
When I come across such situation, I will inform that I will be late by 5 to 10 minutes in the next meeting chat. I have a hot stop in the next 10 minutes in the current meeting to attend both.
I'll attend both meetings, first one through laptop and the second one with mobile phone. I'll be actively listening if I facilitate and passively present just to know they refer to my name.
I'll prioritize my meetings and attend important ones only. However, I miss vital information from the unprioritized meetings which I couldn't attend.
After listening to all these conversations, it seems it is not just my issue anymore. It is a global issue.
Yes, that is the reason we got a new feature enabled for us as a boom.
What?
Yes, the record option in MS Teams, record and replay. By the way, you guys watch the recorded video. I would like to hear from you guys first on this topic.
As an agilist, I enable others to realize the importance of commitment, enable them to meet the same. However, there are many instances where I couldn't able to keep up my personal commitment. Believe me or not, it affects my family members sometimes.
I have received feedback from my wife as I couldn't spend 5 to 10 minutes having coffee with her, whereas I spent hours having virtual coffee with the team.
Hey Praveen, do you have a small coffee cup or a big coffee jar while having a virtual coffee?
As the name suggests, it's a virtual empty coffee cup.
Cool, cool man. There are many instances where I was halfway through having my meal while working and having professional conversation. It happens, man.
I was training a new joiner. While explaining the agile mindset, I said that agility is the ability to move quickly and easily. I heard crosstalk from my wife. You keep teaching people about agility for the last 2 years, but you don't have the agility to move out of the zone room. I felt like nowadays work and life are tightly coupled.
There is a difference between work-life balance and workload balance. Workload balance can be managed by transparently expressing the available bandwidth during planning events. However, the work-life balance is something that the individual should manage by their time management skills.
Hi Sugandhan, you're a true agilist as you are prioritizing others' work-life balance than yours.
Yes, the informal way of conversation creates a connections among agilists. We can informally continue our retro.
Hey dude, I binge watched Money Heist web series season 4 last weekend. Hope to watch season 5 this weekend.
It seems that you got an ample amount of time. If you wish, you can contribute to community activities.
Even though most of the team members and clients are on year-end or Christmas vacations, I'm not planning any vacation this year-end.
Why?
I want to work in peace.
Without your team, what do you want to work?
Instead of enabling others to change, I want to work on myself to change.
Please don't change too much. Otherwise, we won't be able to join us. I hope we'll meet Spiritual Guru in 2022.
Global warming and environment has put us in most uncertain zone. I am living in low-lying Chennai area. During this monsoon, we had water logging repeatedly. It caused a lot of problems to us and people around us. Rain started. Water lagged in homes in the street. Water got cleared and the rain restarted. It's been repeating again and again.
May it be professional or personal, we are going to live in this uncertain world for sure. It resembles our sprint. Start the sprint, develop the future, deliver the same, repeat, restart the new sprint.
I have watched a Tamil movie called Manadu. It's related to time loop. I remember a famous dialogue from that movie. Vanda, Sutta, Setta, repeat. வந்தா சுட்டா செத்தா ரிப்பீட். வந்தா சுட்டா செத்தா ரிப்பீட்.
ஹே பிரவீன், சிரிச்சு சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்துச்சா? ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலா இருந்துச்சு. ஷோல்டர் அப்படி இருக்கிறது ரேஸ் பண்ணி
Year 2021.
as the name suggests, it is a virtual. அப்ப காஃபி வந்து இப்படி திருப்புங்க, கப்பை திருப்பி காட்டுங்க.
ஐயோ உள்ள இப்ப டீ இருக்கு.
ஓகே ஓகே.
Omicron.
அது ஓமைக்ரான் இல்லைங்க, கட்டு ஒமிக்ரான். நம்ம இங்க having tea with her ன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, ஏன்னா வர்ச்சுவல் காஃபி என்றது கூப்பிடுறோம், டீ ன்னு சொல்றது. Take 6.
Hey, come on, Adi. இது எப்படி இது?
சிவாஜி கணேசன்.
I binge watched the Money Waste web series season 4 last weekend.
வைஸ்ட் இல்ல அது, ஹைஸ்ட். கட். இது கொஞ்சம் ஓவர் అయిపోయింది. இது ரொம்ப குட்டி டயலாக், அதனால
ஷார்ட் போஸ்ட் அது மாதிரியா இதெல்லாம் எழுதிக்குவா அப்படின்னு